Start your day with a delicious and nutritious breakfast by trying this low-carb chicken sausage recipe. It's perfect for those looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. These breakfast sausages are packed with protein to keep you energized throughout your day, while still being low in carbs to support your dietary goals. These are made with ground chicken thighs and low-fat cream cheese and seasoned to perfection. So let's start by assembling your ingredients. 1 pound of chicken thighs, half a package of light garlic herb cream cheese, 2 teaspoons of Italian spice, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Optionally, you can add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar sweetener. So combine all these ingredients in a food processor and blend until very well incorporated. Form into 6 round patties and brown the patties on each side in a non-stick frying pan. Then you'll finish cooking the sausages in an air fryer for approximately 10 minutes or until the internal temperature is about 165 degrees. So 1 serving or 2 patties has 300 calories, 20 grams of fat, 30 grams of protein, and only 2 net carbs. Whether you're following a low-carb diet or simply seeking a satisfying breakfast option, these sausages are sure to become a staple in your morning routine.